Hey there, welcome to Take Two. Today I'm going to show you how you can add a about section on your LinkedIn. So what you need to do is go to your preferred web browser and just go on and log into the LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn account through their website. So this is a homepage of my account or profile, so it is somewhat similar to yours too, right? So what you need to do is go to your profile, or it's written as me right there, right? Click on it and click on view profile. Now you're gonna click on add profile section right there. So since you're gonna add a about section, you're gonna click on about, add about in the core section right there, you know, on the core part, add about. Click on it, then you're gonna type your bios or your everything, if you want, what you want to type, right? So when you're done with it, if you want to add some skills, if you want to add some skills, you can also add it. But so just complete all you need to do, you know add all you need to add, and when it's all done and you're trying to finalize or save, you just click on save right there, right there. So my about section has been updated. That's it. And let's say you don't want to show your about section when other people are viewing. So that's, again, go to your profile and click on this pencil like icon on the profile and URL. So another tab opens and you just change it through there. That's it. So if this content helped you, make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.